Hello! Once again, you are welcome to our SHS 3 Core Mathematics lesson brought to you by the Center for National Distance Learning and Open Schooling. My name is Lucy. The topic for my presentation today is geometric construction. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to construct triangles and quadrilaterals. Let's look at triangles. A triangle can be constructed using a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of compasses only if the following information is provided. 1. All the 3 sides are given. 2. 2 sides and 1 angle. And then 3. 1 side and 2 angles. Let us illustrate these constructions with an example each. We want to look at a triangle with all sides given. Example 1. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle ABC such that the length AB is equal to 8 centimeters, the length AC is equal to 10 centimeters, and the length BC is equal to 9 centimeters. Now let's look at the solution. We can choose to construct any of the lines first. I want us to construct the line AB first. So draw any line and mark the initial point A. Now open your compass to 8 centimeters. And with your compass point at A, describe an arc and name the point of intersection of your initial line and that arc B. Now indicate your 8 centimeters. That line AB is equal to 8 centimeters in length. Good. Now let's see how we can construct the line AC. We are told AC is 10 centimeters. So open your compass to the length of 10 centimeters. And with your compass point at A, draw an arc. Now move your compass point to B and measure the length 9 centimeters. With your compass point at B, draw an arc to intersect the one that was previously drawn. Name the point of intersection C. Finally, join the points AC and BC with straight lines to get your triangle. Remember to label all the sides as given in the question. Good. Now let us see how we can construct a triangle with 2 sides given and an angle. If you are given 2 sides and an angle of a triangle, we can still construct that triangle. Let's take example 2. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle XYZ such that the length XY is equal to 12 centimeters. The length XZ is equal to 10 centimeters. And angle YXZ is equal to 75 degrees. Measure the length YZ. Let's see the solution. We will draw the line XY, indicating clearly the points XY, which is 12 centimeters apart. Now using X as a vertex and the length XY as the baseline, We will construct the angle 75 degrees at X. I believe you remember how to construct your 75 degrees angle. Now locate the position of Z, which is 10 centimeters from X. This will be done by opening your compass to 10 centimeters, and with your compass point at X, draw an arc on the 75 degrees line. We will now complete the triangle by joining the points Z and Y with a straight line, like this. We were asked to measure the length of the line YZ. And so, per this construction, the length YZ is equal to 13.5 centimeters. Good. Now let's see how we can construct a triangle with two angles given and a side. Example 3. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct triangle PQR such that the length QR is equal to 8 centimeters, angle PQR is equal to 105 degrees, and angle PRQ is equal to 45 degrees. Measure I, the length PQ, and II, the length PR. Let's look at the solution. First, construct line QR indicating clearly the points Q and R, which are 8 centimeters apart. Then we construct the angle 105 degrees at Q. We move to R and construct the angle 45 degrees. Name the point of intersection of the two intersecting lines as P to complete the construction. Good. I want us to move to quadrilaterals. And let's start with the square. A square has all sides equal and 4 internal right angles. Hence, with these properties in mind, we can construct any square given either its length of side or diagonal. Now let's see the steps for constructing a square. We want to construct a square given the length of side. Let's take example 4. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a square ABCD such that the length AB is equal to 9 centimeters. Measure the length AC. Let's take the solution. Step 1. Using a ruler, draw the line AB of length 9 centimeters. Step 2. Construct a perpendicular at A. Step 3. Construct another perpendicular at B. Step 4. Open your compass to a distance of AB, and with the compass point at A, draw an arc to intersect the perpendicular constructed at A. Label the point of intersection of the arc and the line as D. Repeat step 4 at point B and label the point of intersection of the arc and the line as C. Step 6. Join the points C and D with a straight line to complete the construction. Now we were asked to measure the length AC. And as per this construction, our length AC is equal to 12.7 centimeters. Good. Now let us construct a square given the length of a diagonal. Example 5. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a square ABCD such that the diagonal AC has length 11 centimeters. Let's take the steps for the solution. Step 1. Using a ruler, draw the line of the given side, that is the length AC. Step 2. Construct a perpendicular bisector of line AC and label the point of intersection as O. Step 3. Using the length AO as the radius and with your compass point at O, draw arcs to intersect the line of the bisector at B and D. Step 4. Join points A and B, B and C, C and D, and A and D with straight lines to complete the construction. Now we are to measure the length AB. The length AB gives 7.8 centimeters. I hope you came along with me. I want us to do this same thing using an alternative method. Now, since the angle between the diagonal and the adjacent sides of a square is 45 degrees, we can use that idea to construct the square. Construct a line of any reasonable length and indicate a point A on it. Construct the angle 45 degrees at A. Locate the point C on the 45 degrees line, which is 11 centimeters away from A. Again, construct a perpendicular from C to meet the horizontal at B. Construct a perpendicular to meet the horizontal at D to complete the construction. I want you to note that to construct any other quadrilateral, sufficient information will be given to aid you. Now let us take example 6. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a quadrilateral ABCD such that the length AB is equal to the length BC and is equal to 11 centimeters. The length AD is equal to 7.5 centimeters. And angle ABC is equal to 105 degrees. Also, the length AD is parallel to the length BC. Let's take the solution. We will first construct the length AB, which is 11 centimeters apart. Next, we will construct the angle 105 degrees at B. Now, since we are told in the question that BC is parallel to AD, we will construct the angle 75 degrees at A. That means that co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees from the properties of parallel lines. Locate D, which is 7.5 centimeters from A. Again, locate C, which is 11 centimeters from B, and join the points D and C with a straight line. That gives you this figure. This is the required figure you have constructed. Good. Example 7. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a parallelogram PQRS such that the length PQ is equal to 8 centimeters. Length QR is equal to 6 centimeters, and the length PR is equal to 11.5 centimeters. Let's take the solution. First, construct triangle PQR. This triangle with all sides given looks like this. Remember to label all the sides as given in the question. Now, to locate the point, the last vertex of the parallelogram, open your compass to a distance of 8 centimeters. And with your compass point at R, scribe an arc. This arc should be in line with the length PQ. Again, with your compass point at a distance of 6 centimeters, and with your compass point at P, scribe an arc to intersect the previous one. Indicate the point of intersection of the two arcs as S. Finally, join P and S, R and S with straight lines to complete the question. Well, I hope you have followed through till this point. We have to end it here. But before I leave, let us take a quick look at what we have done in this lesson. In this lesson, we have learned how to construct a triangle when the following information is provided. All sides, 2 sides and an angle, 1 side and 2 angles. We also learned how to construct quadrilaterals. Well, students, this brings us to the end of this lesson. In our next lesson, we will look at the topic loci, how to construct loci. Until then, keep practicing and goodbye.